videotaping. 4 seconds in.
You're bleeding.
Where? Where?
You got
Oh shit. I didn't even know it. It's because
It's the metal part.
it's the gun that messed me up.
Rifle.
The gun.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Looks like you're naked holding it.
I'm naked. I'm naked and outside spinning my rifle.
Spin it in the grass. It's too dangerous out here.
Why?
See, you had to step on a rock. Maybe you stepped on gum.
I can keep it on my breath.
That's what you stepped on.
Look.
Look how nasty it looks.
Isn't that cool?
Spin it.
I don't know
It's
if
one of your
that's
editing
you.
songs.
Huh?
The ding.
Did you get that?
Yeah. How many rotations was that?